In this module, we are going to talk about alternatives to globalization. Alter globalization is also known from the following names: alternative globalization, alter mondialization, alter mondialization, global justice movement. The proponents of alternative globalization advocate international cooperation and increased interconnectedness. However, they criticize economic globalization because of the unevenness in the economic resources at global level. According to the proponents of alternative globalization of economy has several negative implications such as human values are not adequately promoted, concerns about environmental and climate protection, economic justice is missing, labor exploitation, threat to indigenous cultures. As we know that industrialized countries are emitting more carbon dioxide in the air as compared to developing countries. America and China, respectively, they are emitting 24% and 12% of the world carbon dioxide in the air. That is damaging the environment. Basic demands. They encourage informal movement, provision of basic human rights, ensuring environmental protection, ensuring sustainable development. They are anti corporalist. They claim that there should be a limited government control. What are the historical motives? The Great Depression, oppression during the period of European colonialism, resistance to economic integration by many nations when alternative economic rules were imposed by the southern government in 1970s. As far as the impact of these organizations is concerned, they lack global support in developing countries. The major opposition to globalization is from activists, unions, and NGOs in wealthier and developed countries. People from the underdeveloped countries see the anti globalization movement as a threat to their employments, incomes, consuming options, and livings. But if the developing world is going to understand that if they are exploiting the system capabilities more efficiently, they can earn the fruits of globalization more efficiently. But if their leadership is unable to exploit the system capabilities efficiently, it becomes difficult for the developing world to earn the fruits of globalization.